This morning, I was very happy to unwind all of my short crude oil position. This trade exceeded my expectations. Totally awesome. Clients, subscribers, wife, all happy with this short crude oil trade. Then a short time later, I then went long crude oil. So I am now long crude oil with probably about 4% of my total cash. So I could potentially put in under 1% of my cash into this, but because the price is so low, and I can be wrong, but I pretty much think it's going down. I don't think we break below $61.53 a barrel. Therefore, I was more comfortable putting more of my total possible allocation into that long trade. So I'm now long crude oil. What do you think? We are at absolutely historic levels of investors' money being plowed into the Magnificent Seven companies as opposed to everything else. Doesn't surprise me. That's where the biggest revenues and profits are. Therefore, any logical person is going to have at least some of their money there, if not the bulk of their money there. The ratio of the equal weighted S&P 500 to the S&P 500 index has dropped to its lowest level since November of 2008. Incredible, according to the Caboculator. Let me know what you think about the Mag 7. The S&P 500 SPX as of about 2:33 this afternoon, fractionally lower. I'm not surprised. I've shared with you for days that I think we can chop sideways here, maybe even come down a little, but I don't think we come down a lot. Why? Because last week, the short-term underlying mood swings went from about happy to just above sort of neutrality. Those medium-term underlying mood swings went from mildly happy down to about neutrality. So because we never got overextended to the side of exuberance, yes, the rubber band can snap back, but I don't think it snaps back very far. So I think, and I can absolutely be wrong, I don't have a crystal ball, I think we just kind of chop here a little bit, maybe come down a tiny bit, but I don't even think we unconfirm the breakout that we've had. I don't even think we get below 6,368 on the SPX. Gold continues to chop around this $3,400 an ounce level. I said last week that it could do that. You know, I am long gold and looking to add to my short-term trade here in gold. I don't think we get a lot lower, but I would love it if we got down anywhere close to about $3,320 an ounce. What do you think? Do you think we come down here any in gold? Natural gas down some today as of about 2:27 in the afternoon. Yeah, my long natural gas position is underwater. The next bullish thing I would want to see for nat gas would be to confirm the breakout above $3.07 a cubic foot. Let's see if we can do it in the next couple days. The 10-year yield as of 2:24 this afternoon, in my opinion, not quite confirming the breakout above 4.32%. I need to see it come up a little higher today to confirm that breakout. If it does, yes, then the 10-year yield, those yields could go up to about 4.43%. I am not in any long or short bond fund position right now, so it doesn't matter to me which happens. I'm just waiting patiently for the next trade to come to me. I am not forcing the next trade. Home Depot earnings out tomorrow before the bell. Let's see when the retailers start to have their talk with the street here, how it goes and how the emotional herd reacts. Watch this tomorrow morning. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC.